professional contract was in 2013. I played for a team called African Stars in the capital of Windhoek. And in the same season, I got my first. I actually went abroad, leaving Namibia, joining Golden Arrows. After joining Arrows, I came to Celtic. From Celtic, came to Wits, and here I am today, Pirates. Since I've been here, everything has been okay for me. With the guys, my new teammates, and it's been going well. We've been playing a couple of friendlies, and I'm adjusting also to the new system the coach is giving us, and I'm looking forward for it. Yeah. When I came to Pirates, when I came to the reception, I had a talk with the two coaches, the assistant coach Fatlo and the coach himself. And what they expect from me, it's very simple. They want me to score goals, they want me to assist, and they want me to help the team when it's in defense and in attacking. Yeah, and I'm trying to, and I'm also adjusting to the new system which he is playing, because the system I've been playing where I was now, it's a bit different to this one. But that's why there's preseason, and luckily I came at the right time also, joining the guys when they started preseason, and I'm getting the system, because it's a system of keeping the ball and moving quickly with the ball, and it's something I've been doing at my previous clubs also, even if it's not the same. But I know how to keep the ball and move with the ball and move with the play. So yeah, I'm getting there. So I know most of the guys, and I followed them how they play, So I did study them also, like. I wanna know where my player wants the ball, how he moves and all that. I did a research a bit of them, and for the other guys like the Mango, the Pule, them, yeah, I know them personally, how they move, how they play. But yeah, with the all the guys who've been here, I've been checking, I've been talking to them also. Where does he want the ball? Asking me where do I like the ball? I like it in the run or on my feet and all that. So we're getting there. Yeah. For me personally, as a player, my expectation, first and foremost, the team made it for KEF. Luckily, I'm here also. So with the experience I'm having, I wanna add a lot of value, especially going to Africa. It's not gonna be easy, but yeah, we'll just have to grind out and fight. It's not going to be easy. That's one thing for sure. But with my team players, I know we can do it, and we can go all the way out. Yeah, for me, my personal goal is I wanna make my name here with Pirates. I wanna bring back that winning philosophy. Bring trophies. I still remember the last time when the team won the triple, got the star. That's what I want. That's what I want to do for the club. Also, that's my expectation. What I want to do for myself. If I retire, my son, my grandchildren, they have to say, no, my father was here. He did this. He brought the second star for the club. Won the triple also. That's what I want. That's what I want. Yeah, for me, when it comes to the supporters, what I want to say is, through good, through bad, you have to be together, and we're gonna try our level best to bring back that happy faces, happy smiles to them. You just need to be there with us. I'm Dion Hartog. I'm an attacking midfielder.